Good morning, everyone. This is Orobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 5, verse 4 to 6 in Orobo language. Obe Matthew Uyobi Ronye Yiyuri Awo Ronye Eni Rite Esan. Verse 4. Hebruba ke ikwo ri mu maho kidie Hebrew anyị uke. Verse 5. Hebruba ke ikwo ri rue dende kidie anyị ka re uku re akpọna. Verse 6. Hebruba ke ikwo re o nwere re ọwata kwe kidie evu ka von anyị. Thank you.